Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick but essential guide on how to enable Trello's board privacy settings. So let's get started. First off, log into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board you want to adjust the privacy settings for. Now, why is this important? Well, remember, each board in Trello can have its own unique privacy settings, which means you can customize the level of access for each project or team. Next up, look to the top right corner of your board and click on the board's current visibility setting. This could say private, team, or public. The reason we do this is to access the board's privacy options and make the necessary changes. Now you'll see a drop-down menu with three options: private, team, and public. Private means only members of the board can view or edit it. Team implies that all members of the team can view it, but only board members can edit. Lastly, public means anyone with the link can view the board. We're changing this setting because it helps control who can see and interact with your board, protecting your information and workflow. Let's say, for instance, you want to set your board to private. Simply select the private option and click Change to save your new settings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is updating its permissions for this board, ensuring that only invited members can view or edit it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Trello board's privacy settings. Just remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings as your team or project needs change. And with that, we've reached the end of this quick guide. Now, you know exactly how to enable privacy settings on your Trello boards, keeping your information secure and your workflow smooth. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next one.